by yourself. 'Cause a dream is a wish that you make all alone. It's easy to feel like you don't need help, but it's harder to walk on your own. You'll change inside when you realize the world comes to life and everything's right from beginning to end. When you have a friend by your side that helps you to find the beauty you are when you open your heart and believe in the gift of a friend. The gift of a friend. Someone who knows when you're lost and you're scared. There through the highs and the lows. Someone to count on. Someone who
Good day, friends! This day I'm going to have an interview with my longtime friends, Leo and Raymond. So sit back there and take some points so that your relationship with your buddy will last longer. So here are my friends, guys. So we have here Raymond and Leo.
Hi.
Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
So
What's that?
the first question, guys. How did you guys become friends?
How we became friends?
We became classmates since first year high school to fourth year high school, and we eat breakfast together.
Wow,
And
that's so sweet.
Oh, not so. I'm shy. And become board mates. Second year, first year to second year college, and that's it. We became friends.
So another question, guys. Have you ever gone to a conflict? So
Conflict? Of course. We have conflict sometimes.
like
Especially in girls, in terms of girls.
Yeah.
so do you mean, guys, you became rivals?
Yeah.
At some point. But
Rival, because this what we call stupid love.
Yeah.
that hurts.
Not
So guys, follow-up question. So how did you solve your problem with each other?
Of course, problems would not come without,
Any valid reasons?
yeah.
Mm.
But we just let it happen. And at some point, I sacrifice. And I give way to my friend. The balance.
Sacrifice. So guys, anong mai-a-advise nyo sa mga taong nagkakalamat ng kanilang relasyon with their friends, with their buddies?
me, you. If you have problem, guys, with your friend, best friend, or what you call it,
Any kind of friend.
yeah, any kind of friends, don't let that problem to be solved tomorrow. Solve it today, because time is too short.
And time is gold.
And if you solve that problem tomorrow, that problem will become broader. And advice: let every moment with your friend memorable, because someday you will remember it and you'll laugh with your friend. That's all.
That's all.
So, this interview has been concluded, and this is Dave Sergonio, and I hope you learned something in the interview.
Sometimes you think you'll be fine by yourself, 'cause a dream is a wish that you make all alone. It's easy to feel like you don't need help,